Hi guys, dito kami ngayon sa... Saan to?
Starbucks
Sa
Melton.
Starbucks. Hindi kita yan, Starbucks.
Starbucks Melton tayo, guys.
Breakfast. Breakfast natin habang ang kisay nasa school.
So, natin namin kanina sa school yung mga kids. So,
Pero
go.
let's go.
Let's go, guys. Come
Okay, come on. Pasok na kami. Pakita na lang namin sa inyo yung loob. Thank you!
I will be the last to leave. I won't say a word, just let you breathe. I won't make a sound, I won't slow you down. I knew we were on borrowed time, just a passing streak, nothing you would keep.
Actually guys, nakalimutan namin magdala ng ATM card. So ang ginawa namin ay nag-order na lang kami through the Starbucks app. Ito siya sa gilid. Hi guys! Ngayon, itatry natin ang bagong sandwich from
Starbucks.
Starbucks. It's called the BLAT filled bagel with tomato, bacon, lettuce, and avocado inside. Para sa akin guys, ang in-order ko lang ay yung hot chocolate drink. Yan siya guys.
Ano nga ba ito, guys? Yung maroon. Kaya baka i-scroll to kailangan.
Hindi. Pupush mo lang to down.
So, paano ko maano yung ano?
Pupush mo siya down. Tapos, yeah. Okay. Try naman natin tong BLAC. Sarap. Sarap niya. Tagal ko kasi hindi kumain ng bacon.
Sarap siya.
Marap.
Kasi guys, hindi ako yung kumakain ng bacon. Kasi, health conscious ko na. Pero
Pero yung
matikman
bacon
ko ulit
niya,
yung bacon, guys. Sarap.
hindi siya oily yung bacon niya. Sarap siya. Must try. From Starbucks. BLAT. Wow. Ano yan? Matcha with, iced matcha with
Ice matcha with protein foam. So, yung
caramel protein cold foam.
Yun yung ano nila ngayon. Yun yung pinapauso nila ngayon. May protein foam. 30 grams of protein, guys.
Hindi ko makita. Ano ba siya? Ngayon mga beshi, hindi makita bara. Kasi yun na yun.
Protein foam. Para sa mga nagpapalaki ng katawan yan, guys. O nagda-diet. Sarap yun. Uy, sarap niya.
Yeah.
Sarap.
Another rainy afternoon. I don't know.
Okay guys, uwi na kami. Busog kami.
Sarap, sulit, guys. Sulit ang ating breakfast for today.
Way too quiet in
Alam tayo sa front ng
I'm just
Starbucks.
wasted on the couch, 'cause I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be. Wish you'd stay. I just miss you more than anything. It's way too quiet in the house. I'm just wasted on the couch, 'cause I don't wanna feel anything. Wish you'd stayed here beside me. This isn't how it's supposed to be.